alarm and 6. The tide goes on. Another gray commute before the dawn. Fluorescent lights and conference calls. My name just numbers on these cubicle walls. I smile and nod and play the game, sign my soul away and do it all again. There's mud on my boots that I keep by the door, 3 pairs of wet paws on the hardwood floor, reminding me what I'm really here for. 'Cause I come alive when the city falls behind, when the tree line swallows up the road. 3 labs running loose, head full, heart full, finally feel like home. Yeah, I come alive out in the wild where no one knows my job title or my role. Just a man, 3 dogs and a piece of ground, and that's enough to